Hey guys, and welcome back to All Things Considered. Today I'm going to be showing you a special treat. It's going to be an old model G18c by KWA-KSC. I'm not allowed to call it a Glock 18C anymore because I think they got into trouble with Glock over that. I had to go ahead and repair it though, nonetheless. So here it is. I'll show you what I repaired on it. See if we can get in focus here. So this is this selector right here. It's black, so it's hard to get the shadows to show up. Front sight broke off. That's safe. This is semi. This is full auto. Has a slide lock right here. Slide release. As well on empty bags too, it locks open. It's the cutout, that's why it's called the C. Compensated, it's got the slots in the barrel. Not really though, it's just for looks. Alright, so what I had to do once we get started, this is a 50 round mag tube that I bought. It's loaded up with some the Smith & Wesson biodegradable BBs. One of the things that I had to do, so we'll get into it now, is the feed ramp was broken. That little rubber ring that the BB goes into, or I don't even know what you'd call it, rubber tube, was also torn. And then I lost that little BB that controls the hop-up system. So the whole hop-up system was basically ruined. So to take this apart, you can put it on the safe mode and then slide forward. Take off the recoil spring, and we'll take out the barrel. So now we have the barrel, and then it has an inner barrel that's actually the real barrel. That was the cutout that I was showing you. So this inner barrel is what had parts wrong with it. What I had to end up doing was not quite the best lighting, but I don't know if you can see that clear tube right there. I went ahead, it was a black tube, so I bought a silicone tube and 6mm by 8mm. Silicone's a little softer, or nice and soft compared to like a PVC tube. It was probably a Buna N type rubber, or real rubber, but this will have to do in the meantime. And then I went ahead and I got new feed ramps, which is this plastic portion right here that goes up. One of those was chipped off. You can buy those from Rainbow 8 you know what. And this is kind of what they look like. You pop out a little spring and you put those together. So that piece right here is the feed ramp. I don't know if you can see that. So that's the feed ramp. Let me take it out actually. That other piece in there is to control the hop up left or right. So this is the feed ramp. I don't know if you can see it here. And what happened is one of these kind of corners where the BB rides up on broke off. So bought another one of those, new BB and a new tube. The BB though, I had no clue what it was, so I went ahead and I bought a second half tube. Just some stainless steel bike bearing BBs, and the 2mm actually ended up working good. So I put that all together, and how this actually controls the hop up is that BB I don't know if you can see that indent on the very top, it looks almost flat. That's from the BB inside the tube, or on top of the tube, in between the wall of the tube, I guess you could say, and the wall of that metal piece there. And it pushes it down and it'll create backspin. And then to control the left and right, you can rotate this top piece. This isn't going to be the best, but it'll at least, I guess, kind of work, I'm hoping. This is an old one, and could probably just buy a new airsoft for, all the headache that you'd go into repairing this, but I just wanted to show you that it works, kind of. So we'll put this back together. Boy, that didn't feel good, but hopefully it was good. Let me test it. Okay. That was no good.